I don't know if I want to have chai, but I'm really craving for one, but I'm just so scared that it might not be so malinis. My God, I'm so worried. I look so pangit. I'm sick. I don't have bosses also, but it's okay. And for those who's new to my channel and to those who's watching me, please subscribe. Don't just watch me. Subscribe and hit the notification. Yes, finally, I will start promoting my channel. And it's so maingay around. Nalaloka ako. I think I'm gonna sound so konyo because I'm speaking English and Tagalog at the same time. Because I'm not so good at English, so I cannot do straight English, honestly. So I'm gonna sound so konyo, even I'm not konyo. But okay, let's go. Nakakatulili yung sound ng busina. It's annoying. Sometimes I wanna be maarte, but I remember I grew up in Malabon City /Monumento /Tondo. Hindi ka pwede mag-inarte, girl.